Snowstorm to hit Green Bay area Sunday night. A significant snowstorm is forecasted for the Green Bay area starting Sunday night, December 28, 2025, with 4 to 6 inches of snow expected. A winter storm warning is in effect for multiple counties in northeastern Wisconsin. Residents should prepare for hazardous travel, monitor weather updates, and ensure vehicle readiness for winter conditions to ensure safety. Significant winter storm forecasted for Green Bay area. A significant winter storm is forecasted to impact the Green Bay area starting Sunday night, December 28, 2025. According to the National Weather Service, rain will transition to snow between 8 p.m. and midnight, with expected snow accumulation reaching 4 to 6 inches by the afternoon of December 29th. The storm system will primarily affect northeastern Wisconsin, with heavier snowfall anticipated near the Upper Peninsula border, where accumulations could approach a foot. Areas south of the Fox Valley, including Milwaukee, are expected to receive 1 to 2 inches of snow. A winter storm warning is in effect for several counties, including Brown, Dorr, Kewaunee, Calumet, Manitowoc, Outagamie, and parts of Marinette and Oconto, from midnight December 28 until 6 p.m. December 29. Hazardous travel conditions expected due to storm. The storm is expected to create hazardous travel conditions, particularly on Monday morning, December 29, as temperatures drop into the low 2 OSYF, 6YC. Roads may become slippery, especially those untreated, posing risks for commuters. Winds are forecasted to increase midday on December 29, potentially causing blowing snow and reduced visibility on exposed roadways. Residents in the affected areas should prepare for challenging travel conditions and possible delays. Winter storm warning in effect. Cold temperatures. The winter storm warning is set from midnight December 28 to 6 p.m. December 29. Snowfall will begin late Sunday night, with the heaviest accumulations expected by Monday afternoon. The snow will taper off midday December 29, but winds may cause blowing snow. Later in the week, the chance of snow diminishes to about 20% on December 30th and 31st. New Year's Eve will be cold, with temperatures dropping to around 2 degrees Fahrenheit, 176